Hello and welcome to this Utopian Global KYC tutorial. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and in order to be able to purchase products and services for the Utopian Global platform, you need to be compliant with KYC. So let's go ahead and show you exactly how to do that. You see here, that is the Utopian Global landing page, and in order to land here, you probably have been referred or sent a referral link by somebody you know and trust. So once you arrived here, you see various options where to, of course, learn more about Utopian Global, like invest, earn, rewards, precious metals, FAQs, and where you can create your account. You create your account very simple by either click on the sign in button or any of the other buttons like get started, or when we scroll down further here, we see more buttons like getting started here, or start earning, or become an affiliate. Join now, become an affiliate. All these buttons will lead you to creating an account. So we see here, I clicked on one of these buttons and it's asking me to create an account, which I do here by clicking create an account. Now we see here as a sponsor name Utopian Global. This is a test account, so I haven't gone to any of the referral pages. I went directly here to Utopian Global. But if you be invited from a person that you know, then of course that person's name would actually appear here, as well as their ID number and their sponsor referral code. So what you're going to do is now going to enter your first name. In this case, I'm going to just put in test, and also with my last name, I put in test. I do that because this is a test account, but you will of course want to write the correct email as well as first and last name here. And then I'm going to go ahead and register. When I click register, I will have a pop-up screen which is going to ask me, is Utopian Global your sponsor? Or if you went, of course, to a referral page, it would pop up the name of that referral, is this person your sponsor? And if this is not the case, then you can go ahead here and say no, change my sponsor and enter the correct details. Or you can go ahead with yes, continue registration. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes, continue with my registration. Now we see here I got an email which I now have to confirm. So I have to go into my email account. If the email did not arrive because of whatever circumstances, that could be you have some settings which doesn't allow the email to go in, or you maybe the email is in spam, or maybe your inbox is full. That also can happen. So you gotta check this out, but usually it should arrive instantly. So as we see here, we got the email in our email account. We're gonna open the email and we see here, dear test, please click on the following link to confirm your email address. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna confirm the email, and now we have to create a password. Remember, it's key that you actually enter a very, very strong password. Always do a little bit of a mixture of letters and numbers, however you would like to, but it's really important that it is a strong password. I entered now a password, and as you see, I automatically logged now in to my Utopian Global back office. And I see my profile is 40% complete. So I have verified my email, and now I need to confirm my phone number, which I'm going to do right now. I have to select the country and enter my phone number. Then I'm going to get sent a code. I'm going to select here Germany. See where we find Germany, and I'm gonna enter a German phone number here, and I'm gonna go and click Send Code. I now received my verification code, which I'm going to enter right now. Again, I should receive this code almost instantly. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer. That depends on your phone provider and your internet. If the internet is not so stable, sometimes that can cause a delay, but usually it should be instant. So we see it is a success, and I can now go ahead and click on Home. I now see I have 60% profile completeness. Now I'm going to go ahead and register the signature. I'm going to go ahead and register the signature here, and I can do so by either with my mouse, enter my signature like this. I can clear it if I don't like it, or I can actually type in my signature. That's what I'm going to do now, so it is more clear. And I'm going to go ahead, agree with the terms of use, and I'm going to go and save my signature. Again, I receive a code, and again, this code will come instantly. Saved. Now I'm going to be redirected to the dashboard. So we see 80% of my profile is now completed. Now I'm just missing to upload my documents. And for uploading the documents, we always recommend that in beforehand, so when you actually, before you start your KYC, that you already have a copy of your passport ID or driver license, the front page and the back page already saved. The document should not be larger than a 5 MB. That would be good. And if you do it the phone registration, you just do it before, have it in your phone gallery so that you have it handy for the completion of this registration. So we have here already our first name, our last name. Now we're going to enter our date of birth. Our date of birth, we have to enter first the day, then we go and add the month, and then we're going to go ahead the year. We're going to put in the nationality, and we're going to select the country. We're going to select the state in the country here, and again, this is just a test account. And we're going to enter here the street. And here we're going to enter the postcode. Some countries don't have a postcode, then you would enter just 3 or 4 zeros. That always then works for these countries. And we're going to go ahead here, upload our front of our ID. Here we're going to enter our back page of our ID. And here we have to do a selfie. Now with the selfie, it's really important that it's very clear that you do, as the person says here, hold your ID below your chin, that it is very visible, that you have enough lighting, really clear, because we really have to see your face and we have to see your ID. So I'm going to go ahead and do that just right now. And as you see, this is a required field. You have to make sure the lighting is good, and you have to make sure it is clear. you can take the picture again if you were not happy. And you go ahead and save. You can then, if you wish, add another document. That could be, again, your ID, that could be a bank statement, that could be a telephone bill or a utility bill. I'm going to go ahead and upload a test bank bill, and the most important is actually here the proof of address. And again, this is optional, you don't have to do that. But some countries, they do have IDs where the ID is not readable, like we have it, of course, in over here. So with the languages and stuff, so it's always good that you have also a proof of address here. Let's go ahead and click next. A new window will open where you actually have to then accept the terms and conditions. And after accepting the terms and conditions, we're going to be redirected to our home page where we see our documents are waiting to be verified. We see now when we log in into our account that we are 100% completed our profile setup, and now we can go ahead and purchase our products and services. We also have received various emails confirming us that our KYC is done. Again, if you don't receive those emails, please check your spam folder. As we see here, we have received our KYC documents. When we click here, thank you for submitting, and it said we should wait 48 hours, but because we actually did them very well, we were approved straight away. So we see here, congratulations and welcome to Utopian Global. We are pleased to advise that your account is now active and you can log in and enjoy all the features and benefits of our wealth building platform. Should you have any queries, please contact membership services and support at utopianglobal.com. So very simple, very fast, we were approved. So now that we are KYC verified, again, we can go ahead and either go to account and purchase our subscription, go to account, purchase precious metals, go to account, purchase cash ads, or upgrade to premium yield. Whatever we wish to do, we can now do that. With that, I want to say thank you for listening to this tutorial how to do your KYC, and I hope I see you on a next video.